When you look at me, I see the world not as it is, but as it could be, softened by love, illuminated by hope, and brimming with possibilities. Elena had never believed in love at first sight. She was pragmatic, logical, too aware of the world's complexities to trust in something as fleeting as a glance. But the first time she caught Lucas looking at her, something inside her shifted. It was not a grand moment, no dramatic background music or slow-motion effect. It was quiet, steady, like the way sunlight filters through leaves on a spring morning. Lucas didn't just see her, he understood her. He noticed the way her lips pressed together when she was deep in thought, the way her fingers fidgeted with the hem of her sweater when she was nervous. He saw through the walls she had built around herself, patiently waiting for her to invite him in. Their love story was not built on extravagant gestures or fiery passion. It was in the everyday moments. The way he brought her coffee just the way she liked it, the way she left little notes in his books for him to find. It was in the laughter they shared over inside jokes, in the silent comfort of simply being together. One evening, as they stood on the rooftop of her apartment building, the city lights twinkling below them, Lucas turned to her. "Do you know what I see when I look at you?" Elena shook her head, suddenly breathless. "I see the love I never knew I deserved. I see the person who makes the world make sense." And in that moment, as the stars bore witness to their quiet confession, Elena realized that maybe love wasn't about grand declarations. Maybe it was simply about the way one person could look at another and make them feel like they were home.